Yeah, 4K 120.
Is it a good camera?
It's a DJI Osmo Action 3.
Jeremy, I'm your first mate. This is Isabel. She's one of our volunteers to go through our S3 checks just as part of the protocol. Couldn't believe it, but a mouse has run out of the student's bag before onto the ship. So, keen to go? Let's do it. Yeah, if you follow Isabel down the ramp.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, yo. Oh, anyone pulled that rod? Yo. Hey, Cameron, you rod. Cameron, jump and catch it.
Yep, thank you. Right on.
Put your bag on your back, go upstairs.
Welcome aboard. The weather's pretty light. We are going to try and fill the sails, but it's been suggested that we get you guys in the water. It's such a hot day. You guys all keen for a bit of a swim? Yep. So we're going to go over to Motuihe Island. It's pretty close.
Very, very briefly, the life jackets are self-inflating. There is a little red tag hanging down. Don't pull it. Sitting there, that is possible. Then fold it.
Aye.
Still you sitting on it.
Fellas just falls back good.
Okay, you want to pass those down to me?
Will do.
A lot of inspiration from Sir Peter Blake, amazing sailor, but even better known as a leader, and we're very privileged to be able to take these whip-red round-the-world yacht race boats out with you guys.
There's no such thing as a map in the marine world, it's a chart. So this is your map of the ocean. Electronic, touch screen, turn the knob, zoom in, zoom out. You can tell how far you are to places. Okay, I mentioned if you fall overboard. What happens if you fall overboard? What happens if we see somebody fall overboard? What are you going to do? Scream. Ah! You're going to go, man overboard. And you're not going to do that. You're going to keep pointing at them. You're not going to turn to Charles and go, Charles, there's a man overboard. You're going to keep looking at them and keep pointing at them and get to their attention and shout. You're going to keep watching them and you're always going to keep pointing at them. And then everybody else can do everything else and they can help you watch. But as soon as you take your eye off them, they will disappear.
Gee, those are some swag bumps. Probably for the captain or not, but yeah.
Oh heck, look at this room.
This is the nav room. This is the original. It's the Pete Blake's chair, right? Cool. Feel free to come in here and have a little tutu around. We've got a couple of instruments up here. We've got apparent wind and true wind readings, boat speed and depth. We've got a VHF, right? Communications. Probably the most useful thing for you guys is this little touchscreen chart plotter. So pinch to zoom like an iPad or whatever. It's kind of like Google Maps of the ocean. You put it on the top floor.
Alright, what's the trick to this?
Jump, try to escape, try to let go with further away.
It's so awkward. You gotta get a bit of a.
Why are they both sitting in the boat? Why not, bro?
Thank you.
Okay, going forward.
Alright, grinders forward! Running backwards.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going.
Grinders forward.
Oh, there it is. Look, I see them. I see the fish. We are eating lunch.
Yes, please.
And then a little of it to you.
Appreciate it.
Hi, Mama. No, shit. She was like.
Oh, hi.
I'll learn one quick lesson.
Sharp, you have to say sharp. You have to say sharp. Yeah. Make up. Oh, yeah. Look at me go, look at me go. Let's go, 18. Let's go, 18. I like that. Let's go, 18. 18.
Okay, position.
One more will be harder than the other.
And then this way. Pull it this way.
Hold on. Keep the flexible like that.
Keep going.
Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah.
Yeah, winners! Yay! Don't let it go, watch her do it again.
I'd like to get a bit further up, but yeah. And we'll motor sail a bit.
One person is going to pull that, the other is going to grind this.
Coach, you got that?
Right?
Sure.
And you see this white mark?
Yeah.
When it gets to there,
Stop.
you shout at me and say, made.
Okay.
Sweet, right?
Yep.
You never, ever, you're not going to let go of this. So you can go an easy way, and then you can go a fast way to start with, and then an easy way. No fast to start with.
Alright.
Go.
Made, go.
Made.
Made, hang on to it. So we're going to tie it off. You only got a knot? Not really. Watch. So it's going to go around there. Half it.
Yeah.
Half it. Then if it falls out, if this comes undone, it can't. If this comes off the deck, it only goes to there.
Yeah.
But this is holding this up. I quite like that idea. Alright, when we go again, you know what's going on.
Yeah.
I was actually, bro, that's it.
How did we do Yeah. Oh, this is what? Oh, this is better than anyone's done.
Basically vertical.
What the? Nah, the craziest part is John is standing down there.
Yeah.
He's a legend. Bro.
Speed 7.5, depth 7.5.
You want to go and have a go down there, Karen?
No, I'm going all the way down.
That's a knot. That's a knot. Oh, it's
Go, don't die!
Stand by to tack.
Why have we put the jibber? What's the reason for this?
Holy heck, this is a bit loose.
Hold on. Something strange happened. Hold on.
Oh yeah, you want to make sure that's tight.
There you go. Okay, runners are ready.
Go.
Push! Runner made! Go!
Runner made. There's like an evil supervillain face.
Oh, yeah. What is that?